Hello and welcome to episode 4 of the Discord.js series, or JavaScript series, whatever you want to call it. Technically it's both. So what we're going to do here is we're going to be checking out data fetching and the link button. So we're going to be making an Urban Dictionary command, so it will be an NSFW command. What you guys search up in the Urban Dictionary is up to you. But there could be NSFW responses. So you'll need to sign up to something called rapidapi.com to get an API key, or you can just use my API key. First of all, let's just go into the config, and we're going to do exports.urban_API_key, and I'll just paste mine right there. Alright, so now we have a variable for that. So we'll do import our test guild and urban API key from our config, like so. Then we want our message action row, message button, message embed, and constants from discord.js, like so. And we want to import node fetch to make an API request. So module.exports, do our info, it's going to be urban. The description, look up a definition from the Urban Dictionary. We're going to have our arguments. So the name is going to call it term. Description, term to look up in Urban Dictionary. Then it is required. And then the type is going to be constants, the application command option types. It's going to be a string. NSFW is going to be set true. Our permissions. So the client needs embed links. The user don't need any permissions. No need for role-based either, or users-based. DM only is going to be set to false, so it's guild only. You can use it anywhere. And then we want our register. Command IDs, empty array. And our test guild. Now our execute function. Don't need access to the client, so we'll underscore it out. Arrow function. Alright, so let's get our argument first. So interaction.options.getString term. Before we move on with the video, check out our partner HostingBot, a cheap, fast and reliable hosting company. They offer a range of services including virtual servers, website hosting and dedicated servers. Get 30% off your purchase by using the promotion code Monoxity at checkout. If you're in doubt, look at all these happy customers. Const request. So we want to make this async as we are about to use await. So await fetch. So this is going to be the URL. Shape, I guess is how you say that. Community Urban Dictionary. I'll give this in the description to copy and paste. .p.rapidapi.com/define term equals encode URI component term. Like so. We do need to copy this right here though. This is going to be needed in our headers. Sorry if there's any background noise. Oh no. Right, headers. X rapid API host is going to be that. And then we're going to have another header, X rapid API key, which is going to be the urban API key. We're now going to turn it into a JSON response, so we're going to do await request.json. And then we're going to do a check if request.status is not equal to 200, or there's nothing in the Urban Dictionary for the term you searched. Turn interaction.reply. We want to make it ephemeral. The content term not found in the Urban Dictionary. Now we're going to make a variable for our result. We want it to be a randomized result, so we're going to use math.floor and math.random, and it's going to be based on how many results that are. Now we'll go ahead and make our message action row again. So new message action row. We're going to call our add components, which is going to be a message button. We're going to set the label view on Urban Dictionary. The style is going to be link, and the URL is going to be results.permalink. Now our embed, new message embed, which choose a random color, set title, it's going to be search, and then so we know the term we entered. Set the description, result, dot description, and we're going to do substring because sometimes they could be above the Discord character limit, so make sure it doesn't go over 2,000 characters. We'll do our footer, which is going to be text. I need emojis for this, so let me just quickly go grab those. Alright, so oh wait, no, that's why it didn't work, it weren't a string. Okay, so we'll do result. Oh my god, I need to pull it as a template literal. I'm not thinking right now. Result.thumbs underscore up, and then we want our thumbs down emoji, and you guessed it, result.thumbs underscore down. Alright, so that's that. So that's for the votes on the Urban Dictionary definition, and then we'll set the timestamp as the date of when the result was posted. Alright, so we got that. We want to check if there's an example with the result. If there is, we're going to call embed.addField example result.example. Again, we're going to substring it. Make sure it doesn't go over 1024 characters. And now we just want to send our embed. So yeah, we could just return this. Return interaction.reply. Embeds, going to be our embed, and our components, which we met our message action row. Alright, now as usual, we're going to give the bot a start, get our command ID, paste it in here, and restart the bot. Now let's test it on Discord. Alright, so we're going to do urban, and I'm going to look up Roblox. We get an error. Alright, so what have we got here? Cannot read property of undefined reading substring. Description. Result.description.substring. Line 74. Let me just double check this for a moment. It's not description, it's definition. So yeah, I'm a bit dumb there. Alright, let's go ahead and restart it and try again. Alright, hopefully it works this time, so we're going to do urban Roblox. There we go. Oh, no, I'm blurring this out. But yeah, let's run it again. Oh, I don't need to blur this one out. But yeah, you get the point. The Urban Dictionary command works. Yeah, let's do another definition. Let's just type in Discord. Uh-huh. That's me. Okay, not me. Alright, so yeah, that's the Urban Dictionary command for you. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in a future episode.